Have you ever been jealous of your friend's high-end gaming PC and you're stuck with a boring old budget computer?
Well, today we're going to show you that you don't have to be. This is a $500 gaming PC featuring a case that looks incredibly premium. We're going to show you guys today how to build this gaming PC, but first, a word from today's sponsor. Are you tired of your unactivated Windows install on your gaming PC? Well, today's video sponsor, GVG Mall, has you covered. GVG Mall is an online marketplace to gain access to really awesome discounted game keys and, more specifically, as we mentioned, Windows 10 licenses.
It is incredibly easy to get your Windows 10 or 11 activation key from GVG Mall. Just use code TB20 to get a special discount, and then all you have to do is take that code, put it into Windows, and boom, you have an activated Windows copy.
We have been working with GVG Mall for several years now, and we love the reliability of all the products they have to offer, so be sure to check the link in the description down below. Use code TB20 to save on your next purchase of a Windows key or other product from GVG Mall.
All right, so to kick this off, we have the Ryzen 5 5500. This is a 6-core, 12-thread processor, and it is really good. It's very power efficient. The only real downside with the CPU is it doesn't technically support Gen 4 on the M.2, but I mean, hey, for 500 bucks, we're not going Gen 4 anyways. Now, this does come with a stock cooler that actually works really, really well, but our friends over at Deepcool were nice enough to send over this AK400 that we're gonna use for the video's sake, but in all honesty, this would work just fine. We just wanna make this thing extra cool with this Deepcool 120mm cooler. And for the motherboard, we have this very nice MSI B550M Pro BDH Wi-Fi. So we got Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built in, and on top of that, it's a pretty nice board. It actually has 2 4-pins for the CPU, 4 RAM lanes, which I love to see, and it has plenty of upgrade path to it. I mean, you could always go up to like a 5800X or even one of the X3Ds if you really wanted to on this board. Now for RAM, we have the 16 gig OLOy kit, and this is RGB 3200 megahertz. It is 2-stick CL16, so it'll be running in dual channel. It'll run really well. It's gonna be plenty for this. You could go 32 if you wanted to spend the extra money, but we really don't recommend it for only 500 bucks because you're not gonna be playing like 4K AAA titles. And lastly, for storage, we have this Crucial P3. This is a Gen 3 drive, which is important. We don't want to spend extra money on a Gen 4 unless we think we're gonna upgrade the CPU down the road, which we're not going to. This is a good build out the gate. 500 gigs though, more than enough for Warzone and Fortnite. And maybe a couple other games. Yeah, that's it. But no, this will be plenty. It really is easy to add more storage to these boards as well.
Now let me tell you about this graphics card. This is the 51 RISC RX 5600 XT, and this is why this build is so affordable. You're able to get this card on the used market from like normal retailers like Asus and stuff like that, or you could buy these refurb boards from AliExpress for $130. 5600 XT, 6 gigs of VRAM, more than capable in the latest titles. We did a full benchmark video on this thing, so if you want to see that video, hit the eye in the top right corner, but I think it'll pair very nicely with the Ryzen 5 5500. Now for the power supply, we have the Thermaltake Smart BM2 550 watt semi-modular power supply. It is one of the best rated power supplies in the budget sector. You can get it for about 50 bucks, give or take. Power supplies are just inherently kind of expensive right now, but this one is kind of one of the best options that is readily available, so do pick this one up. Now the main reason we did this video is because of this case. This right here, ladies and gentlemen, is not the O11 Dynamic Mini, even though it does look like it. This is the DIYPC O11 Dynamic Mini. It doesn't have a great model name. I think it's like the BK something something. Check the link in the description. DIYPC does a really bad job at like labeling their cases, giving them names, but it comes with 3 RGB fans, which I'm questioning if these fans are gonna work the way that they're supposed to, because normally these fans, if they do place them like this, are reverse blade fans, but these are just all exhaust. So I don't know, we might have to flip some fans. We'll mess around with that, but it's $60. That's the key here. 60 bucks is insanely cheap for a case that has this nice glass aesthetic that everyone wants. So yeah, I'm excited to build in it, give you a little bit of a review of the case, see what the thermals are like, and decide whether or not it's great for budget builds, but I'm excited to put this together and see how it performs.
All right, guys, we're starting off with some Halo Infinite. We're on 120 view distance, 120 field of view, 1080p, low settings. I guess that's what it recommends us.
100 FPS.
Oh yeah, high refresh rate, baby.
One thing to mention, by the way, is we are running this setup with the fans and all exhaust because that's what DIYPC will configure the case to do. And it looks better that way, but obviously if you want to have the most optimal airflow, maybe slap like a fan or two to the bottom as intake just to add a little extra airflow to the case. But the temperatures are adequate. It's not like our system is a oven that's overheating or anything, but we decided to just stick with that configuration. So just so you know, the temperatures are what they are because of that. Last time you played this game, you almost rage quit. Is it gonna happen again? I don't know.
I already kind of want to. Did he? No way he stuck me, right? Oh. How does this have a camo?
That is an insane camo.
You're gonna die.
Ow. Doesn't it look like the muzzle is like just charred?
Dude, what gun is, like, how is this guy doing just so much better than me, man? You know, no big deal. No sweat.
No sweat. Oh, had to reload. Ah!
Yeah.
Oh, it's him again.
Okay,
oh, guess what? Overshield.
This guy's about to single-handedly bring the victory to his team. He is once again going to kill. Why can't I move? Get out of the way, teammate. What?
Got him.
Oh, look who it is.
Like, what? Oh, hey, guess who?
Oh my god. Yeah, no, that guy is just absolutely, like, jacked out of his mind at this game.
And that's how the game's gonna end. So that's Halo. There's only really ridiculous players playing this game at the moment, but the performance is good. Let's try another game. All right, guys, we are now in Call of Duty multiplayer. And right now, these are the settings we are running. We're pretty much running the balance preset FSR quality. And so far, looking pretty solid. Whoa, let's go. Obviously, you can run this on higher settings. Multiplayer isn't as demanding as Warzone, but you know what? We're gonna give you all some more gameplay instead of me dying instantly. Oh, yep, nope, not a good spot for that. The same sniper I used when we first started playing the game, so it's...
Oh, a hit marker.
Oh, goodness gracious. Yes, deserve
He
that.
said, I'll go to the...
Oh, hello.
Oh, wow, he is there.
That's wild. That's freaky.
Look at that cowboy hat, Betty. Someone to your left, yep. Oh!
Wait, we traded? Nice, he blew me up though. The cowboy hat, he was like, hey, I know you there. Oh, okay. All right. Goodbye, cowboy. Oh, goodness. Ah!
God, the reload.
Oh! Come back!
He definitely peeks that again. He's right around there.
Oh, no! Oh, no. What?
I think he hit horse leg.
Oh.
I feel like you shot.
I feel like I did shoot that, but...
I do wonder if it was like maxed out, if it would like just automatically pull more watts, or if it's just really well optimized.
I don't know.
They only need one more. You guys need two.
I don't know if it's gonna happen. No, we've been defeated.
So
but you know what? Performance was really solid for a $500 PC. Can't really ask for too much. We're gonna go ahead and test some other games that are a bit more demanding, other games that you'd want to see. And then we'll just wrap this video up real quick, because overall, I think it's a pretty good PC for 500 bucks.
All right, guys, we just got done benchmarking this really cool looking PC, and it performed really well. We were a little skeptical about the fans being all exhaust, and if you at home build a PC in this and it's a lot more powerful, you might want to get some extra fans and run them as intake, or at least turn one of these around. But I mean, overall, if you're building anything near the level that we built, you're gonna be more than happy with the performance.
Yeah, obviously you could flip these two fans and make them intake, but I just don't really prefer the look, honestly, because yeah, it looks really nice as is. I would just add maybe two fans to the bottom, have them be intake, and go from there. But yeah, overall this case is really awesome. This PC for $500 looks way more expensive than it actually is. So if you want to build this PC yourself, check the links in the description down below. They will be affiliate links and they will help us out. Let us know what you think of this PC as well. And if there's any other interesting new budget cases on the market you want to see us build in.
So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other two YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/toastybros, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
Now this awesome $500 gaming PC will be for sale at PCBros.tech, and it will be an awesome price. And also don't forget to check out our merch.
PCBros.tech, gaming PCs, gaming laptop, as Jackson mentioned, the merch, it's all around us. Look at the videos, it's everywhere. Buy merch, it looks cool, it's gonna look great on you. Use code ToastyBros2 on checkout to save 2% on your next purchase. See you guys later, bye-bye.
Peace out.